Good day, everyone. My name is Arnold Abarquez, your licensed real estate broker. Welcome to your next home right here in Paco, Manila. This stunning townhouse has been fully renovated. It looks and feels brand new. It comes with a one-car garage, 2 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms, everything you need for modern city living. Bank financing absolutely accepted. In fact, one unit was already sold through bank financing. Proof that the title is bank acceptable as collateral. But hurry, only 4 units left. What I love about this property is its prime location, just 1.1 kilometers from LRT Pedro Hill Station and 1.3 kilometers from UP and Robinsons Manila and 1.9 kilometers from SM Manila. Don't miss this opportunity. Book your tripping today and make this beautiful home yours. Thank you. Bye and God bless.